Upgrade your kitchen prep with powerful, time-saving performance designed for everyday cooking and special recipes alike. Best food processor options combine precision, durability, and versatility to chop, slice, shred, and blend effortlessly, helping you achieve consistent results with less effort and more confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart 14 BCNY Food Processor. The Cuisinart 14 BCNY Food Processor is a versatile kitchen appliance that excels in both performance and convenience. Powered by a robust 720-watt motor, this food processor effortlessly handles a variety of tasks, including chopping vegetables, pureeing soups, blending sauces, and even making dips like hummus, guacamole, and salsa. Its 14-cup capacity is perfect for families or anyone who enjoys cooking in larger quantities, and the extra-large feed tube with bowl sleeve assembly allows for easy processing of both small and large ingredients, saving valuable prep time. The intuitive on and off/pulse buttons make operation simple, while the detachable disc stem ensures cleaning is hassle-free. One of the highlights of this appliance is its range of included accessories. It comes with a stainless steel standard slicing disc, a medium shredding disc, and a stainless steel chopping/mixing blade, all of which are dishwasher safe. These blades allow for precise cutting, shredding, and mixing, making meal prep faster and more efficient. Number 2. Ninja BN601 Food Processor. The Ninja BN601 Food Processor is designed for home cooks who demand power, precision, and versatility in one compact appliance. With a 1,000 peak watt motor, this food processor can handle even the toughest ingredients, delivering smooth, consistent results whether you're chopping vegetables, pureeing fruits, or mixing dough. One of its standout features is the innovative Auto IQ technology, which includes 4 intelligent preset programs. These presets take the guesswork out of food preparation, allowing users to achieve perfectly chopped, sliced, pureed, or mixed results with a single touch. The 9-cup capacity bowl is ideal for preparing meals for a family or entertaining guests, saving both time and effort in the kitchen. Ninja's stainless steel precision blades provide reliable performance, ensuring even and consistent cuts, while the included dough blade is perfect for making bread, pizza, or pastries at home. Cleaning is simple and stress-free, as all removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Beyond its technical specifications, the BN601 excels in usability. Number 3. Ninja NF701 Food Processor. The Ninja NF701 Food Processor is a top-of-the-line appliance built for performance, convenience, and versatility. Equipped with a 1,200 peak watt motor, this model easily tackles tough ingredients and provides professional quality results in chopping, slicing, shredding, and pureeing tasks. Its 4 Auto IQ preset programs remove the guesswork from cooking, allowing users to achieve consistent results at the touch of a button. Ninja's innovative blade technology ensures even processing and well-mixed dough, making it perfect for a wide variety of kitchen tasks. The 12-cup precision processing bowl offers family-size capacity, ideal for meal prepping or hosting gatherings, while the XL feed chute with a 3-part pusher allows for large ingredients to be processed quickly, reducing prep time. Number 4. Hamilton Mincing Food Processor. The Hamilton Mincing Food Processor is a simple yet efficient appliance designed to streamline everyday food preparation. One of its most appealing features is the ability to scrape the sides of the bowl without the need for a spatula, which significantly reduces cleanup time and effort while maintaining consistent chopping or mixing results. Though it may not boast the large motor wattage or numerous preset programs of higher-end models, it is designed for basic, practical functionality, making it ideal for users who want a straightforward and reliable kitchen helper. This processor can handle a variety of ingredients, from vegetables to nuts, quickly and efficiently, making meal prep faster and more convenient. Its compact design ensures it doesn't take up unnecessary counter space, while its durable construction promises long-lasting performance. For individuals or small families looking for a simple solution to everyday chopping and mixing, the Hamilton Mincing food processor is a practical choice. Number 5. Ganiza Chopper Food Processor. The Ganiza Chopper Food Processor is a premium appliance designed for both safety and efficiency, making it a versatile tool in any kitchen. Its ergonomic patented button design ensures effortless operation, reducing hand fatigue and providing superior control during use. One of the standout features is the built-in overheat protection system, which not only safeguards the motor but also extends the appliance's lifespan. This system is paired with an intuitive smart light display that alerts the user when overheating occurs, allowing for safer processing. The Ganiza food processor comes with 2 sets of blades and dual bowls, an 8-cup glass bowl and an 8-cup stainless steel bowl, so users can separate tasks like chopping vegetables from processing meat, enhancing hygiene and versatility. Its full copper motor delivers efficient power and longevity, while the spring-loaded automatic stopping design ensures blades stop immediately when the motor is removed, prioritizing safety for families. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability, so you can confidently choose the best product.